This guide shows you a quick and easy way on how to remove virtually any antivirus on a Windows system. In this example I have AVG Antivirus free installed, but as I say, it should work with any antivirus known to Windows. All we need to do is we just need to open our browser. Now in this case I'm going to use Google Chrome for my example, so just double click Google Chrome or your favourite browser. And then when it loads, click into the address bar right at the very top of the screen and then press the delete or backspace key to delete out anything that might be in it, and then just type antivirus-removal-tool.com. That's antivirus-removal-tool.com, all in lowercase and no spaces. Then when you've done that, hit enter or return on your keyboard. This page will now load, and all we do is we just scroll down the page to this download button just here, move your mouse over it and left click once. Then if you're using Chrome or the new Microsoft Edge, you should see this download appear at the bottom of the screen. Now it may take a while because it is quite a large file to download. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video and we'll come back to it when it's nearly done. And there we are, it's now finished downloading, so just going to give it a few seconds, and then all we do is we just make sure that if you're using Chrome or the new Edge that there's no figures shown in here before clicking the close button, because it might be that your antivirus is currently scanning the file. So if in doubt, leave it for a couple of minutes, and then after a couple of minutes just click on the cross in the top right hand corner of the screen to close your browser down. Next thing we need to do is we need to click on the yellow folder just at the bottom of the screen here. Now if you don't have a yellow folder, click on the start button and then click on this little documents icon just here on the start menu. Either way, doesn't matter. And then what we need to do is we need to find downloads just in the left hand column just here. So once we've found it, move your mouse over it and left click on it. Then we need to move our mouse over antivirus-removal-tool, which should be in the list there, and click the right mouse button. Then once we've clicked the right mouse button, this menu should appear, so move down to open with and left click once, and you want to just select File Explorer just there, and then move your mouse over OK, left click once. Then click Extract All just up here, that's a left click. Then move your mouse over Extract down the bottom here, left click once. It's now extracting the files to our downloads directory or folder. This bit might take a bit of time, and there we go, it's now extracted. So just move your mouse over antivirus-removal tool and double left click. So it says Windows protected your PC. Microsoft Defender Smart Screen prevented an unrecognised app from starting. Running this app might put your PC at risk. So if you do see this, move your mouse over More Info, left click once, and then move your mouse over Run Anyway and left click once. It's only warning you here because it's a fairly new tool and not many people have used it. So, and then you should see this, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Move your mouse over Yes and left click once. Okay, so you get this end user license agreement come up. Move your mouse over Accept, left click once. Okay, so as it shows you here, it says check what antivirus programs are currently installed. So it's picked up that I've got AVG installed on there. So it says in step 2, also search for antivirus programs that have been installed in the past. Expand the nodes to verify and confirm the results. So just move your mouse over search and then left click once. So this bit again, it might take a bit of time because it is going to search through your whole system to see if it can find any other antiviruses that might have been installed in the past that need removing. I'm going to pause this video while it does this and we'll come back to it once it's finished. Okay, so mine's finished, that took a few minutes. So it says no leftover directories were found. So move your mouse over OK and left click once. So in step 3, we're going to try uninstalling using the Windows built-in functionality. So move your mouse over, open Windows, add remove programs and left click once. So you will see add remove programs appear here. So just find your antivirus in the list here. Once you've found it, move your mouse over it, left click once, and then move your mouse over uninstall at the top of the screen there and left click once. It will then say, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Move your mouse over yes, left click once, and then all we do now is just follow whatever instructions are on screen to uninstall the program. So in my case, we've got a big uninstall program button just here. So move your mouse over uninstall or whatever's come up on your screen to initiate the uninstall. So I've just got to confirm this by clicking yes. As I say, depending on your antivirus, yours might be different. Just follow whatever instruction is shown on screen to uninstall. I'm going to pause this video because this bit's going to take a little while. Okay, so it's now asking me to restart the computer. So as it says, restart the computer. I'm just going to pause this video while the computer's restarting. So my computer has now restarted. Now if you did have any problems during the uninstallation, there's another step for you to do, and you can try this anyway, and that is what we need to do is we need to open our downloads folder again. So go to the yellow folder at the bottom of the screen there, or go to the start button and to the documents folder there. Doesn't matter which way you do this. And then move your mouse over downloads in the left hand column just here. Okay, and then find the yellow antivirus _removal _tool folder. It's the yellow folder without the little zip in it. Double click that, that's a left double click. Then double left click antivirus _removal tool. Then where it says, do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Move your mouse over yes, left click once. Then when this appears, in step 4 you have this option to run the specialised uninstaller. So click on that drop down and then select the antivirus that you had installed previously if it hasn't selected it automatically. So I had AVG, so I'm just going to select that. And then I'm going to move my mouse over run and left click once. Okay, so it's now launching the specialised uninstall tool, and like I say, this is good for cleaning up any leftover files, or if you've had a problem uninstalling the antivirus, then try running this tool. And then all you need to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and hopefully it should then remove your antivirus. So it's saying here it's recommended to run this tool from Windows Safe Mode. Do you want to do that? So like I say, this may be different on yours depending on what antivirus you're trying to remove. Just follow the instructions on screen. So for this at the moment, I'm just going to say no to it. Okay, so it says welcome to the uninstall tool, and on my one it's asking me to select what version I have installed. So it was the AVG antivirus free, and then I just click the uninstall, and it says an attempt has been made to uninstall AVG. This may be legitimate but also could be a result of a malware attack. So do you want to continue? Yes, because I am definitely uninstalling it, and now it's going through and uninstalling. So as I say, this will be different on yours depending on what antivirus you're trying to remove. Just follow the on-screen instructions again to remove and let it run. Now usually after it's finished running, it will ask you to restart the computer. If it doesn't ask you to restart the computer, restart it anyway. You're better off doing that. So to restart the computer, just click on the start button in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, click on the power symbol, okay, and then actually click the word restart. Don't click shutdown, click restart. There is a difference. Let the computer restart, and hopefully your antivirus that you was trying to uninstall should be gone. And the final thing we need to do after our computer has restarted is we just need to delete those files that we downloaded earlier. So go into the yellow folder at the bottom of the screen, or click on the start button if you don't have a yellow folder, and click on documents just on the left of the start menu there. Then click on downloads, And there's two files we need to delete, and that is the antivirus removal tool zip file just there. That's the yellow folder with the zip in it. So move your mouse over that, click the right mouse button, and then move your mouse over delete, click the left mouse button, and then move your mouse over yes, click the left mouse button. And again, on the antivirus removal tool folder, move your mouse over it, click the right mouse button, move your mouse down to delete, click the left mouse button, move your mouse over yes, and again click the left mouse button. And there you go, those folders and files that we've downloaded are gone, keeping your PC that little bit cleaner. Then just move your mouse over the cross in the top right hand corner of the downloads box, left click once to shut it down. So there you go, that showed you how to remove virtually any antivirus from your Windows PC. Hope this guide helps, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech, that's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.